Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see three dots. That's the burger icon. Tap on that. And then click Settings. That's third to the last option in here. Now, on the left part of your screen, you'll see several options in here. You'll need to click Privacy and Security. And then click on Site Settings. Now we want to look for JavaScript. Under Content, you'll see JavaScript. Tap on that. Then as you can see in here, my Google Chrome or this Google Chrome is not allowing sites to use JavaScript. We just need to select sites can use JavaScript. Go back. And that's how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.